In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.